creators still sending screenshots of your profiles to brands? Here's how you can create a professional media kit with just few taps using Hey Creators app. Open the Hey Creators app and head to Tools. Now tap on Media Kit. Click on Create New Media Kit. Here you'll see different content formats where you can set your commercial rates like collaboration reel, static story, video story. Enter your pricing for each content type. Once you're done, tap Generate Media Kit. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to generate your media kit. Once it's ready, open your media kit. Right at the top, you'll find your creator ID, follower count, and a quick overview of your profile. Scroll down to review your top metrics including audience authenticity percentage, audience reliability percentage, and average views. This makes brands know exactly what you charge. Upgrade to Pro plan to remove Hey Creators watermark to make it look more professional. Tap Update Media Kit to edit your commercials anytime. You can also export your media kit directly on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or anywhere else. Create yours today on Hey Creators and make every brand pitch look professional. Like, share, and subscribe to Hey Creators.